heels on my tippies. Dope, say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. How me bet.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What is on the agenda for the day?
Me a fear vlog here. I had to force her to vlog.
What's on the agenda for today?
Beach,
river, and wherever the
vibe is.
And wherever the wind takes. So what time is it? 1:18 and we're still here.
How was yours today?
0 out of 10.
No, it wasn't.
We reached top bar when everything done, but it was a vibe. But if we had reached when everything was going on, it would have been better. And then raw bar was too packed and
But today's gonna be a.
let's see. She have high hopes.
Let's see.
Let's see what time we get out of here.
Bye.
Enough. Broke people should never laugh. Guys,
Show your people.
we're at Bonaparte Plaza. Where's our first stop? Falling Edge River.
Yeah.
So right now we're drawing money, then we're going to get a party, and then we're gonna go. So yeah, guys. What's your dance spot? Hattie, this is just how the place looks. This is closed. You know draw money?
No. Cash.
And yeah.
Let's give them a fit check. So this is the fit of the day.
Shirt from Shein.
Right.
Shorts, I don't know.
Yeah.
Crocs from Amazon. Watch from Apple.
Yeah.
Necklace from Shein.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
30 minutes. First meal of the day.
Yep.
We're gonna be way far now.
Let's go.
Okay.
Boop, 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 boop.
Bridge. It's a bridge.
Gone where? Oh, you have selfies. Oh my God. She said we have a walk for no 20 minutes. 20 minutes walk? 10. I must, is that rain? Is it? Rain, I would have put the Daniel, please. Watch out, please. This is fun.
A taxi that?
You know, so no past 106.
But wait, them bamboo, them dangerous.
Look at you ready. You just said Daniel, come back in the car.
Hello. No. Again, no.
And you go out. You have go out more, remember? You can't chat. Yeah, man. You're good. Amen.
Me not laugh, I don't know.
Me not laugh either.
Serious? Car? No, but just to say. Going in.
Don't worry, but come sideways.
How you feel? How you feel?
Feeling good.
She don't seem alright.
Nah, laugh.
Them can hear the falls.
Who is them?
People will watch the vlog.
No.
With them.
No, come here, one. Let me take it figure rafting.
You like that?
Bamboo. See the walk out into the thick of it. Watch your step.
So now you know that. That's a long walk.
Now walk.
You can't run.
Run. How did I eat that? But where him come from? Sir, where you come out from?
Hello. We gotta look for you. So much oil.
We're here. No, so the mosquito them are near me. Oh, forget to bring repellent, chat. Oh, forget to bring repellent. In at the depths of the depths. You know, it just dark. It give like one movie type of thing. But anyway, so come on. I want movie for true. One of them. See, the man should have come keep you company for true. The man should have come keep you.
I must write here
The man need to come keep you company for true. Oh, it's a betting thing. We lost.
You know what? They look even scarier.
We should have made the money. You want ball? You want ball? Cause we lost. But where we are go?
Continue.
Just straight. Jesus, yeah man, go on. That you want to think. That's how Daniela bring the bamboo with her. This is not funny. Jesus, we can't live in the night, you know. Some I got to get takeaway.
Hello?
But I'm not here.
I think that was the way we were to put the bush for more.
So I'm not hear nobody up here, so. Silent falls. Guys, just wait on me, please. Guys, we reach. Let them something. I'm going to catch an auto. Let them something. I'm going to like narrow space. I like narrow space. What the fudge? I like narrow space. I don't like narrow roads. So the falls, they chat. Oh God. It's coming like a mission. And him gonna lift me. Oh my God. Oh God. Damn. Damn. The falls, guys. Oh, mosquito near me. It cold? I hope to the idiot. It cold for you? It cold, guys. But you're coming at this. I can't come in at this. I want to say too cold. I must get a yam. Also, God damn. Yeah. Life is great. I wonder where that edge of falls from. I'm going to change, guys, in my clothes. Time, guys, but it's really cute and really good. Nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Daniela dead. Daniela dead. Hear her scream. Pete, how you feel? we need company and we need like more people. All of them. Yeah. Guys, I'm here and I don't know what else to vlog. So things I'm over there, so I'm kind of annoyed, but yeah. We put the pictures and yeah.
Cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money when they dance.
Hey guys, it's Lex. You know, I'm back again. I had to jump up in the girl vlog.
Yes, she's back again. Hey guys, we're in BK right now, and we just bought basically the whole entire menu. So what are our plans for the rest of the day? Oh, the food. Yeah, we are the whole entire day from this morning. Eat the food and then see where the rest of the day takes us.
Yep, that's the plan.
Hello everyone. So guys, I'm currently playing Roblox right now, if you know what this is. And if you never heard, I Show Speed's supposed to be in Jamaica right now. Yes! You never know that! How can you never know Yes, I want a piece of her blog. Anyways, I'm playing Roblox right now. Tell me if you know what this game is. So I'm currently just at my house. Don't mind the background, they're all talking at once.
They're watching some Show Speed. I've never heard of this man.
Show Speed.
I've never heard of this man before.
You see how many views that it has?
53 million. Whoever this person is, Show Speed. Yeah.
Get on my net drop.
Painted up on a Trumps right
Can't
now.
show me on the media, you know.
Yeah.
Oh! You cannot show me.
Wait, whoa. Ready? Come. Jesus, what she can't. No man, like, she just struck a beat.
Which foot was bro? Which foot?
Left,
It was my
yes.
left foot. It was your left foot?
No, sir, no man. Shut your mouth. Put it down. Put it down. Come, cut the camera. Put it down. Put it down. Hello guys. I don't know if I'm not gonna reach this far in the video. If I don't reach this far in the video, comment and say I've reached this far in the video. But I just came here to end off this vlog. Come on, end off this vlog right now. And then I want to explain, well, not to explain, but just to say like why I was posting and all of that really. You know, so from got the falls, my skin literally, mosquito really bite me up and them itch me. You know, over that channel here, it's like beer jokes and when I take nothing serious. But then, well, life just started to get more serious, and then yeah, I had to, you know, stop and pause and go through the motions, go through how I was feeling. I could have pushed it to the side or nothing like that. I had to go through it, because if I didn't go through it, what? Like, I was going, but not really that like open, but I was really going through like with school and everything, and I felt like I just like hit my breaking point. I was like, okay, Chanel, this is where you are right now, and you have to just go through the motions. Like, you have to just go through the feelings. You have to just go through it, because you are going to feel better. Even if you don't go back to feeling like yourself, you are going to feel like how you felt before, but you're not going to feel this bad. So you just have to go through the motions. And that's what I had to do. I had to allow myself to go through how I was feeling. Like, it was really awful, really terrible. I was not posting on TikTok, if you guys realize. I was just going through it, and it's not just because of exams. That just added to everything, which caused everything just to topple over. So, over here, so it's like, we're transparent. everything is just real raw and unfiltered. But yeah, and I was not for sure you all, but it was like I never even did a post on TikTok and stuff like that. But now we're back and we're on our way still to 1,000 subscribers. I need to lock in. Hopefully we're back for good. I don't know also about the vlogs every week because right now things are like kind of slow. Oh yeah, summer school is coming up, so we just have to see what will go on. So when I get a video, and when I do get a video, but yeah. No, like I'm literally really hungry right now. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I wonder if I have to wear more some. Oh, I eat so much more. Literally really hungry, and my period is supposed to come. I'ma just feel funny. Yeah, one of them tell me I'm gonna get ready with me for bed, but I just some certain circumstances I'm gonna do that right now. But don't wanna let you know. God know we must get better, hold on. You want left me for your money, man. Pow! Lights. Alright. After this now, I'm supposed to say the Bible verse and the end of the vlog. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm opening the camera, so I'm currently editing this video and I'm really hungry. This is a hungry feeling. May I tell you that this is a hungry feeling for true. I always think about like hungry to the point where guys, you know, over it's reached 17 minutes. We don't chat for true. Can I reach 17 minutes? Bye.